let's go. Yeah. Splat, drop, splat, wait,
Hey, yo, Little Mexico, pass the gas.
They don't really wanna stay with me. Put that Glock down, boy, I'll be your worst misery. Catch a foot and that whistle out in the street. Pull up in the limousine.
What is up, YouTube? Back it again here with another video here for you guys. Came back to Richie's shop. This is 2 days later, and today we're finally gonna go ahead and work on the wiring harness. All right, Drew Bill. So what's on the agenda today?
Start the harness.
I hope. So how is it gonna work? We have to cut it off from basically right there where the harness starts.
Yes, we're gonna split the OEM harness. We're gonna split it from the chassis, and
it work that way?
the motor's gonna have its own harness.
So he's gonna have to solder everything, or that's gonna get into a plug también?
Yeah, that's the plug's gonna be this one.
Oh, okay, all right. And what are you doing right now, boss?
Gonna put the,
Scramble button and launch control, right?
yeah.
If it fits. So he's adding this stuff right here to it. We're live on the set. Is it doing that? You can do it.
No, because it's going too fast.
Oh. Bam. Alright guys, so inside harness is made right now. You guys want to check it out. This is the mil spec connector. It's just going to be one plug. This is going to stay permanent in the car. Goes here, routes it this way, and goes to the Motec right here. We need to take it off because we need to finish up this connector right here. But basically, going there. This is for data logging. It's coming together nice, and check this out right here. So you got the harness all cut up, labeled, and getting ready for its new harness. And it's the old shit right here. It's literally a rat's nest, but it's coming together nicely, huh, George? Sheesh. Race car coming up, baby. Looking good. How do you feel right now, George?
Pretty good.
It's a badass harness. Quality. Alright, check it out, guys. Looks like we got power right now. So what are we doing right now, Richie? What's happening?
We're gonna program the CAN network to communicate to the Motec. We still gotta finalize a few wires for the Motec to power it up. Connect the engine harness to it, and then upload the map or check the sensor inputs and outputs. After that, we should be ready to start it.
Nice. So you connecting to that AEM thing? What is that right there? You just
This is for me to turn on the CAN network to let the dash know that we're communicating with the Motec.
Oh, okay.
And then we could also change the layout to make it look like a RZR dash.
So kind of like pairing it in a sense, huh?
Yeah, we gotta pair it, and then they have a file that makes it look like the RZR dash.
Oh, I get you. To make it look in the background right there.
Yeah, so it looks like a RZR layout.
Check it out, guys. They got the harness all tailored on right here. So this is all it right here. Comes up. Injector 1, injector 2 all labeled. Nice. Check this out. Looks clean. Ran over here. It's put on right now just so he's gonna also what is it, like calibrate every sensor, right?
We're gonna calibrate all the sensors, make sure to assign them to each channel, and calibrate them to the correct pressures.
Looks good. I'm gonna show them the mil spec. Oh, it's over here. Check this out, guys. They don't get no more legit and race car right here. Mil spec plug right here. What is up, YouTube? Back at again with another video here for you guys. Not too sure what part I am in this video, but it is another day here at Richie Works shop. And while we were away during the week, he was while we were away, he was wrenching on the car, getting all the wiring figured out, testing out sensors, you know, making sure everything's working correctly. So he just got off the phone right now with the tuner to, you know, make sure everything's calibrated correctly and all the terminals are in the right area. So we got somewhere today, guys. Check it out. So yes, I know it's been a while. So check it out. Richie went ahead and measured everything already. He got everything all wired up correctly. He's still testing more, but he finally got everything to work. So now he can turn on the ignition, and what it does, it actually primes the fuel pump, but unfortunately the fuel pump module messed up right now. And the screen turns on, you're able to hit the brake lights work, so because everything was, you know, from scratch. Hit the throttle body opens and closes, drive by wire. So it's getting everything all set up here. So we're ready to fire up now. So right now my brother's gonna go to the gas station, pick up some coolant and gas, E85 probably, just to start it up, because Richie did have a fuel pump, you know, so we can go ahead and borrow just to get the car started up. So hopefully it goes well. Crossing our fingers. Everything cranks. We just need a fuel, so let's see if this works. We can go under if it's... Uh-oh. It's almost that time. Check it out.
I wish the shit wasn't unlocked so that it'll look fucking nice and pretty right here already, but we really needed him to connect to it.
Yeah, it's almost go time, guys. Priming the fuel pump. Or priming the fuel lines, I should say. Checking for leaks.
Fuel pressure.
Check that out, guys. That motherfucker look good. Tightening little things.
What's KPA and PSI?
Huh?
What's KPA and PSI?
That's how much thrust the sensor has. Alright, so what's going on right here, Richie? What are you doing right here?
I'm just trying to switch this thing because I'm used to PSI, I'm not used to KPAs. So I'm trying to just change that.
Get the sensor reading?
Yeah. Negative? Oh, okay, that's not. Okay, so.
There we go. Motor is primed, full of oil and lubed.
Did you check the muffler bearing?
The muffler bearing and the grease is great.
The bleeder fluid? Ready?
Yes, sir. Here we go. About to go live.
What's it called? Plug in, right?
Mm-hmm. Do the swap. But I'm gonna swap the spark plug wire. If that's the problem, then it's no. Unless I'm wrong on the timing, on the which one's first and which one's second.
50. It's not roll it out, you know?
So, there. I told you to fuck, he's my bad.
So then, that means the ejectors are wrong too then, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna stop him right now.
Are they long enough?
Yes.
Okay.
I know what happened. You forgot to check the muffler bearing.
Wait.
I'm tired. Who's you gonna break?
Nah. This way. Pero para nada del pinche border. No como cartón de puta, güey. Oh yeah. It was really.
Smells good, dude. How do you feel, Rich?
Me?
That shit sounds good, dude.
I mean, it is my motor, so.
Also, we need to see oil pressure.
The oil pressure's up there.
Is it? As long as the motor isn't knocking, I'm good. Gee, it was long enough to hear anything. It sounded smooth. Something was whining though. It sounded like a fucking Harley.
No, this is crazy as fuck.
No, it's a huge motor though. Harleys are huge, no? No, 1100 cc.
It's a titanium.
Oh, it's the muffler bearing. It's greased up well. That sounds good, dude. I love the camp chow. That's how it's gonna sound. Ching out. No pues wow.
So, screen one, we don't believe that.
It's gonna read because it's coming out of the multi.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, just let it out for a little bit. But it's a whistle?
Let it cool down a little bit, and that way just a couple heat cycles, you know?
Why did you open the
Huh?
the breather, the fucking.
What did it get to? Huh?
What did it get to?
No, nothing. It's right now. It's 70-ish Celsius, 71 Celsius.
The clutch.
What about vacuum leaks?
This thing rises up, dude. Sick.
Yeah, because it makes pressure.
Yeah.
It's nice and loose. It's a good thing. Maybe it has a vacuum leak. Where's the idle slide?
They just did it right now.
Huh?
They just did it right now. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of this video here. Thank you guys for watching. I just realized I didn't close the video out at the shop. But the RZR's still over there. We went ahead and turned it on. We left it at Richie's shop. He said he's going to go ahead and finish it up. To get it ready for the show coming this Saturday, we are going to be at the Sandsport Super Show swap meet. And hopefully Richie gets it all buttoned up in time. That way we can pick it up. I believe Friday we're going to go pick it up. And then we're also going to keep on pumping out videos here. I got my brother's Can-Am we're doing. I need to clean up the YXZ. We got all kinds of little things to get done for the Sandsport Super Show. Swap meet. So appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. There's gonna be more content coming out. Peace out. See you guys on the next video.
New Mexico, pass your gas.
Don't really wanna slow me. Put that Glock down. Will be your worst misery. Catch a flight and that whistle out in the street.